guys, you want to get paid teaching from anywhere in the world, even if you don't have a degree or classroom experience. Let me show you exactly how I did it. I wasn't a guru, I just know how to explain things clearly. If that sounds like you, stick around. I am going to walk you through exact steps I follow, and if you stick to the end, I will show you how to get your first student without stress, without leaving your comfort zone. Within 7 days, even if nobody knows you. You don't need to be a guru. I said it earlier. What is that one thing you know how to do best? What is one thing you know how to do every day of your life, every second of your life, every minute of your life? Now, we are going to monetize that, your skills that you have, and turn it into a cash. All you just need is to have one skills ahead of your students. Make sure you know one thing that someone out there do not know. And as for that, if you are that person that know one thing that someone out there did not know, that means the percentage of you getting the cash on all these websites I'm about to share with you in this video is 90%, because you have one thing that someone do not have out there. Let's be realistic. Pick your pen right now and your jotter and ask yourself, what are the questions people ask me every day and I offer to help willingly without getting paid? Now, that is where we want to start from. That thing that people ask you every day and you give out for free, that is your zone. So let's work with that. If you speak two languages, you can be a tutor on Reply. I've not started yet. I was just giving an example to the websites you are going to work with. If you are good at, creating designs, know much more about designs, you can be a tutor on Skillshare. If you are a person that is good with kids, now create an account on OutSchool. You want to give your own charges to a client, you want to take total control of your finances, teach on teachable.com. On this particular website, if you have a textbook lying around, a workbook, either maths, English, biology, just any book, name it, as long as it's a workbook, exam prep, test prep, go to studypool.com. On that website, you can sell whatever skills you have. You can sign up as a tutor. You can sell any exam preparation book that you have lying around the house. You can turn it to cash. As a student, you are good at tutoring. You are good at teaching people how to do something. It's either maths, physics, economics, anything at all. Go to tutor.com to sign up on tutor.com and share your knowledge with people out there. Share your knowledge to the world. Someone is out there that don't know what you know, and that person wants to know exactly what you know. Go to tutor.com to share your knowledge and get paid. Go to tutorme.com. This is another one. The first one is tutor and this one is tutorme. Tutorme.com will help you share your knowledge to the world. It does not matter wherever you are in the world, anywhere around the world. Just go to tutorme.com and share your knowledge. Share what you know to the people. I know you are a student, stay at home mom, you're anything that you are, and you want to make money from your comfort zone, and you have one or two things on this call that you can share to the world. There's one person out there that don't have the knowledge that you have, and they want to be like you. So share your knowledge with them. If you are just starting out, go to websites that bring you students automatically. Websites like Studypool. I have an account with Studypool, and I am telling you, they will actually, sell your Google Drive, your PDFs, your books. They will help you sell it to the world, to their students. So if you are just starting out, go to websites that automatically bring you students like Studypool. Then as time goes on, you build your own courses or coaching offer. Now the setting up and stand out is so important. What makes you stand out in the knowledge you have will make you stand out in the crowd. You are just starting out, you don't have an idea. No, relax, don't overthink it. Record with your smartphone, keep it real, and speak with your idea students. Now, as you want to pick your phone right now and record it, whatever skills you have, and you want to speak with your idea students, here are 3 things you should be considered. Here are 3 things you must have in that recorded videos. Simple intro videos of you, what you have to offer, and who you are. What your students will learn in plain English. Make sure you communicate with English, because we all know English is a general language that everybody understands. A free preview or trial class will definitely attract students to our class. When I was starting out, I started with Studypool because they bring me students. No personal branding needed, no marketing, just a good lesson, and voila. Now let me give you a backstory on how I got my first students to sign up. Because here is where it gets real. I don't wait for students to sign up. I promote myself in a place like TikTok, Facebook Reels, Facebook posts, and I offer free lessons too. My first week, one student signed up and he paid $5. At the end of that month, I tutored 3 students, and that is $15. That can also be you. If you are just starting out, make sure you are starting with a simple task, a simple mathematics you understand, a simple English you understand, a simple home economics you understand. Okay, don't wait till you have all the brain in the world before you get started. Start now. Start with that little experience that you have on your head. You can monetize that skill. So if you're just coming across this channel, smash on that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up. On this channel, I share tips on how to make money online. And if that is what you're looking for, then smash on that subscribe button, like this video, share it, and ask whatever question you have in the comment section. Let me know whatever question that is bothering you, or you have a videos you want me to make for you. Ask me in the comment section. I'll catch you up later. Bye.